Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Safrin. In today's video, we are going to create this gorgeous makeup look. So this is a one brand makeup tutorial look. If you want to know how I've created this beautiful look using only Swiss Beauty products, then continue watching. First, I'm going to show you guys this gorgeous Swiss Beauty palette. It's called Infinite Looks. You guys can see the stunning color ranges. All the colors are here: neutral, colorful, warm tones, cool tones. It also has contour blush highlight for two different skin tones, as well as it's got matte eyeshadow, shimmer eyeshadows, and glitters. What else do you want in a palette, guys? So let's get started. First up, I'm picking this dark brown shade to fill in my eyebrows. So this is what my eyebrow looks like only using the brown eyeshadow. Now let's do the same thing on the other side quickly. The one small thing I wanted to mention here is the weather in Bangalore is absolutely cold, and it is going to, very soon the winters are gonna start. I have slight a bit of breathing problem, so sometimes when I'm giving voiceover, you guys might hear me here like breathing a little heavy. I'm all fine, you guys, nothing to worry about. It's just the climate and I'm all good. So I just wanted to put it out there. Now for eyes, I have used the Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette. That was a conceal and highlight palette. Picking up a dark shade from that palette, I'm just applying it on my eyelids, blending that really well. I'm doing the same thing on the other side as well. I'm just going to apply concealer on my eyelids. Now to set this, we need a Swiss Beauty translucent powder. I absolutely love this powder, so I'm just setting my eyelids with the help of that powder. Now picking up this beautiful shade from Warming Up side. This is a light orange shade. I'm just creating a transition color with the help of it. I'm using a nice big fluffy blending brush to do so. If you want to know the numbers of the brush or something, do let me know in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer it. Now once I'm done with that, I'm going to change my brush. I'm using a medium sized blending brush, and I'm depositing more of the same color, and from my outer V, I'm just applying the same color in my inner corners as well. Now once I'm done with that, this is what it should look like. I've at least applied this 5 to 6 times, you guys, to achieve this amount of intensity. Now I'm just taking a flat brush using the same concealer. I'm just going to cut my crease like so. Let's do the same thing on the other side as well. Okay, so once I'm done with that, I'm going to pick up this gorgeous beautiful golden shade from the Warming Up side palette, and I'm just applying this. Now the concealer was really wet and the shimmer was not picking up quite well on the brush. This is something we always face with shimmers, right? So what I did was, first I just gave it a nice shape with the help of a brush. Then I'm just going to pick the shimmer with the help of my finger, and I'm just going to apply it. Can you see how gorgeous that shade is, guys? Just brilliant it is. Now once I'm done with that, I'm going to pick a golden glitter from the same eyeshadow palette, and I've just placed it. Alright, next up I'm using a Swiss Beauty eyeliner, gel eyeliner. Now this eyeliner was not the best liner, I can say, but then yeah, it wasn't bad. It was very nice, creamy and everything. The only thing is, it was not as jet black as the gel liners would be, but it's not bad, you guys. It's not bad. So I'm just drawing a wing liner here. If you're following me for a while, you know how to draw a wing liner by now, because I've created a lot of liners in my tutorials. Yes, once I'm done with that, I'm picking up the same kajal and applying in my waterline as well. This is a waterproof one, so yeah. Now once I'm done with that, I'm picking up the same orange shade, and I'm just gonna smudge out everything. And I'm gonna quickly wear my false lashes, and I'm going to be back. Okay, that's done. The lashes are done. Now I'm going to just correct my face with the help of this orange corrector. Since this is a cream product, I will just patting the product really slow, you guys. My pigmentation is very deep, and until and unless the orange character is also like extremely deep orange, my pigmentation doesn't cover up properly. So this was not like entirely covering up my pigmentation, but it wasn't like giving me a high coverage is what I mean. The coverage of this orange character was very medium sort of coverage. Now once I'm done with that, I'm going to pick up the darkest color in this palette, which is this one, and I'm going to apply that on my skin as a foundation. I know this is a concealer, but I'm going to use this as a foundation. So I'm starting to blend it. Initially this looked very light on my skin, but then the foundation actually oxidized, and yeah, it did match my skin tone perfectly. Now for contour, blush and highlight, initially I showed you guys in the palette itself. There are two contour blush highlight. One is for the deeper to medium skin tone, and one is for the lighter skin tone. So the deeper skin tone contour blush highlight is what I've used here. Next is this lip palette. You can see there's so many colors, but I picked up the orange one to apply my blush. So I'm just using a cream lipstick as a blush here. Now this lipstick works really great as a blush, but as a lipstick there's very less pigmentation in this. Like you'll have to layer it up so many times for you to get that proper lip shade. So the lipstick palette is the only thing I didn't like. Apart of that, all the products are great and they did perform a good job. Last and finally, I'm just going to set my full face with the help of the Swiss Beauty translucent powder, and that's it, you guys. I'm done with the look. Now for lipstick, I did mix two shades. I went in with the orange and brown together, and this is what it turned out to be, and that's it, you guys. So this is the final look. Do let me know, do you guys want me to try more such brands? Like if you want to, then just drop a comment telling which brand you want to watch, and I'll do that for you guys. Take care, you guys. I love you all so much, and do subscribe to my channel and keep showing your love so that I can create more such videos. I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care.